Hello friends! Today another off-trail hike. We're gonna be hiking in parallel to Deep Creek in San Bernardino Mountains. Not too far from Hesperia Falls, we're gonna make a right and we're gonna hike up into the wilderness. We'll go towards Pineapple Mountain and we'll complete a little loop and come back to the same trail where we started. Today is very windy and cold. I'm kind of not prepared for that, so I put empty backpack to make me warmer. It's not a good plan, but it's at least some kind of plan. I'll see you later. I ended my trip on the unpaved road. This is beautiful view of Deep Creek and Antelope Valley. And I will hike starting here up, and then I will continue going west. Found nice animal trail, so I'm taking it. Otherwise it's very hard to hike to this steep mountain. I'm not sure where this animal trail is leading me. It goes somewhere. We accomplished a little bit. Now I'm gonna go that way. My destination is that way, so I'm gonna go that way. It's west. Very nice rock formation leads to the top of this hill. Okay. Like unreal. So beautiful nature. Finally I arrived to some kind of valley after climbing for at least 45 minutes. I'm not sure what's after that edge of that valley. I hiked to the top of that unknown part of the mountain. Now I'm hiking inside the valley on the top of the mountain. It's raining, it's windy, it's cold. I am a professional hiker who never acts as a professional hiker, so I'm wearing only 10 long sleeve shirt, even though it's winter. So I have to learn at least once from my own mistakes, but I never do. So anyway, I'm hiking through this valley and I will reach some kind of edge, and then I probably will go down. I hiked through this nice valley and then arrived to the edge of the valley, and there is no way to go down from this edge right here. So I probably will go up and then go down somewhere there. I'm not sure. That's the Antelope Valley. Very beautiful. But again, it's windy, it's rainy. So maybe it gives more adventure. I don't know. Like going through the snow. Except this is not snow, but very tiny sand on the top of the mountain. Beautiful. Still going on the top of this hill. I know that I will have to pass one of the canyons, and my main question is, will it be passable or not? Right there. If the edges will be steep, I will not be able to go to another side of the canyon. Then I will have to go back, which is very far and very also uncomfortable. Whew. And we arrived. Whew. Okay, I think I'll take this canyon down the stream. This is my way down through this unnamed creek. It's dry now, but after winter it has some water. So now I'm gonna be just hiking down through all those rocks, and my hike basically looks like this. So I just have to be creative and ignore rain and wind. I'll see you down there somewhere. Still hiking through this unnamed creek, which is not here. Very quiet, very beautiful day. Cloudy, which is very unusual for California. I still have some way to go. I'll see you down there. Arrived to a waterfall. Steep, so I'll try maybe that side of the canyon, because here is really too dangerous to hike. Last steps, as always, the hardest ones, so I hit some bushes. I'm pretty tall, so for me it's kind of hard to go through, but somehow I'll manage it. And it looks like we see some civilization. Yes, we see a bridge which is falling apart big time, but still a bridge. So we're almost arrived to the civilization, and I am finally arrived to the road. So the elevation gain today was about 1,500 feet. Time about 3 hours, a little bit less than 3 hours. Distance 5.5 miles. Adventure level pretty severe, because the first incline was very steep. Then I had that nice valley. Then I had unknown, so was kind of a little bit paranoia, but then I found that little dry river, and I went down a couple bigger waterfalls, but I managed to go around and solve those problems. And so yeah, very nice hike, very beautiful day, and you guys have also very nice hikes too.